All right, peeps. So, we've had a special request from Tania with Texas Family Camping. And I think what she has requested, y'all gonna dig. Stick around. Promise you, you ain't wanna miss this.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I mean.
Hi, peeps. So today's special request is going to be bacon, meat of loaf, and cheese. Don't forget the seasonings. Telling you, man, I got a vision. I'm hoping it pans out. We're gonna throw this on the smoker and see what deliciousness immerses. All right, got our hamburger in there. Got our onions. Got your Italian seasoning. A little bit of garlic salt. We're gonna throw a twist in it though. We're gonna throw some hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce in this. And some crackers, dude! Alright, so now we want to make sure to get it all covered up.
Where's your string?
Now I know, just looking at this, it looks like, what the heck is going on here? trying to keep the smoker going and this canopy from flying off. It's so windy and crazy right now. So I'm out here trying to hold this canopy down. The wind is picked up so bad. It was supposed to be like a 30% chance of rain. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but the canopy is actually covering the smoker and everything, and I don't want it to take off, so I'm using my body weight to hold it down. The things we do for our cooking segments. This is crazy. Well, we got a 165. We're gonna pop this open and take a look. Doggies. Not that I don't trust it, but I got Old Faithful here, my digital thermometer. Oh yeah, she's getting close for sure. All right, peeps, we just pulled it off. Let's cut this bad boy open and see what's cracking. I know normally I probably shouldn't go right down the middle, but there she is.
All right, let's cut some pieces.
Tania? One, Jerry. Assemblage.
Yeah? Oh, that's good.
I don't know about you. You've been sacrificing peppers and onions all day.
Not me.
You just took a little tiny piece of bacon. That's what you wanted? Wow.
That's
That's
good.
Here.
Yeah?
Very good, brother. Very good.
Very good.
All right, me lady. I saved that big one.
Very good. Go.
Me? No,
Yeah.
that's you. I know you don't like it.
Yeah?
Yeah?
All
All right, peeps. Let's go chop up the rest of this and get these people fed.